Good morning, class. So, in the previous class, I have marked all the definitions and read it carefully. Here, the views on 3D shapes are there: front side, and slanting side, top view. All views are there. Look at the figure carefully, which we'll use in the question. And after that, 2D representation there isometric dotted paper or grid paper we can represent in these paper also. And nets, main topic is the nets of 3D objects. Triangle prism is there whose edges vertex are these are the vertices, these are the edges, and the front one, this one, these are called the faces. So all these things are given. Square pyramid, after here also vertices, faces, edges, all the figures, all the things are given in the figure also. And after that, a table is there where faces, vertices and edges are written. So listen carefully and read it. Polyhedron is there, a shape is there whose faces, edges are given. Tetrahedron, and that's also given. Euler formula, it's already studied in class 7th also. Formula is what? V plus F minus E is equals to 2. When we put the values, we will get the result. Okay. And now the exercise 15.1. First question is, draw the top, side and front view of the following shapes. I only made the top view. You can make the side view and all these. So this is the top view of the first figure, this is the second one, and this is the like this, the third one. Okay, so you can draw it like this. And the second question is what? How many faces and edges do the following solids have? Like rectangular prism, triangular prism. First rectangular prism, you can help from the back also, who having the faces 6 and edges 12. And triangular pyramid having the 4 faces and 6 edges. Square pyramid having 4 faces 8 edges, and the square both are square pyramid only. So one confusion is there. Look at this. So both are same part, C and D, so cut the C1. Okay, so the correct answer is 5 and 8. This is not the correct answer. Okay, so the faces are 5 and edges are 8. And the third question is, draw the following shapes on isometric dotted paper or a grid paper. You can take the dotted paper and draw this figure, which is given in the book also, like this. I will tell you, like this type of paper you can take and draw it and paste it on the notebook. If you don't have the paper, you can make by your own paper and then paste it on it. And after that, 3 questions are left and we complete the chapter. Thank you, class.